Today we'll be learning how to configure NFS Server in Linux operating system. Before we dive into the installation and configuration, let's take a moment to understand what NFS is. NFS, or Network File System, is a distributed file system protocol. It's like a bridge between different computers on a network, allowing them to share files and directories as if they were mounted locally. Now let's set up our very own NFS server on a Linux machine. To begin, open up the terminal and run this command. Enter the password of your currently logged in user. This will install the NFS server package. Press Y to continue. Once the installation is complete, it's time to enable and start NFS service to ensure they start automatically on boot. To do this, use this command. Now execute the command. This will show that the NFS server is active and ready to share files with remote clients. Now that your NFS server is up and running, it's time to configure it to share files across your LAN. For this, let's create a directory called NFS Server on desktop. Enter the password of your user. The directory has been created. Now to share this directory, it is important to change its ownership and set its owner and group to nobody and no group respectively. Now we have to provide read, write, and execute permission to the directory so that NFS clients can easily access it. After that, I will navigate to the NFS server directory and create a file there. Let's name it file.txt. If I open the NFS server folder, you can see the file is present here. Now it's time to configure the NFS export file. Open the file with this command. Enter the password of your user. After you've accessed it, insert this line at the end of this configuration file. In this context, the IP address of the NFS client is 192.168.217.1. I am using my Windows PC as the NFS client. To save the modifications, press Ctrl-O. Press Enter. Now to exit the file editor, press Ctrl-X. To implement the adjustments made in the export file, run the following command in your terminal. Next, we need to restart the NFS server to apply these changes. Moving on, it's essential to activate firewall configurations to guarantee secure data transfer. To activate the firewall, execute this command. The firewall service is now enabled on my Linux machine. Now to grant access to a specific client for connecting to the NFS server, type this following command. Enter the password. Through this command, I have enabled the firewall to allow network traffic from the client with IP 192.168.217.1. Once this is done, run this command to see which ports are connected to the NFS server. Here, 2049 is the default port for NFS, and it is now allowing network connectivity from the previously mentioned client IP address. And that's it. You've successfully configured an NFS server on your Linux machine, allowing you to share files easily across your LAN.